She was getting antsy in the car, so I pulled down the flap and let her see the mirror. Who's that? Is that birdie friend? Is birdie friend trapped in that little box? Oh, you gotta let birdie friend out. Free birdie friend. You must try. You must try to free him. How did birdie friend get in there? Yeah, how did he get in there? How are you gonna get him out? Yeah? I'm looking up there, trying to find a way. Yeah, I don't think that's a way. What about here? Is that a way? Maybe? No? Oh no. But how? I must rip open this cage to free him. Come on, birdie friend. Let me get you out of there. If I close it, will you be upset? You are so cute. Oh, thank you. I don't need a manicure though. Okay. You want to try climbing up on there? Okay, I'm gonna close it. Where'd birdie friend go? Where'd birdie friend go? He flew away. He went back home. So we'll go home and see him, huh? In one of his other normal spots. Oh, wait. Oh, birdie friend's back. You were so funny. You're such a funny girl. And this is why we don't have any mirror toys in your cage. Because you'd probably lay a billion eggs. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Okay. Okay, birdie friend's gotta go bye-bye. Bye-bye. We'll see birdie friend at home. Okay? Okay, cutie.